to my channel, Tasha's Merch Review. I'm Tasha. This is a review channel. I review everything from clothes, tech, food, and I may throw in a few review mukbangs. If you're new here, I just ask that you hit that subscribe button below. Hit that bell to be notified. I only drop one video every week, and that's every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. And if you're returning, welcome back and thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to review another KitKat flavor. Now if you have not seen my other KitKat reviews, I just ask after this video that you head on over. I'll have it linked down below. Please make sure you go watch it and give it a thumbs up. Now KitKat has been pushing out so many different flavors, and recently they have released the KitKat BlueBerry Muffin. I only see them at Walmart. I believe it's only exclusive to Walmart. Now the KitKat BlueBerry Muffin comes in two sizes. You have the king size and the regular size, and I picked both of them up. Now what I like to do is look around the packaging because I believe it has some type of experience when you're buying a product. So let's take a look at this KitKat packaging. And I'm going to show you the king size packaging. You have the limited edition, which means this flavor will only be out for a limited time. So if you have yet to go down to your local Walmart, go ahead and do so before they're all gone. When I went, Walmart had a whole bunch of them, but by the time this video comes out, I don't know. So I say go down and pick you up some. So at the top you have limited edition, KitKat logo with a picture of the blueberry muffin, king size. Here down here it shows what the KitKat will look like. And it is a naturally artificially flavored crisp wafer and blueberry flavored cream. So let me give you a close-up of that there. And on the back you have the nutritional facts, some information, and so forth. And it's in this blue colored packaging. Now I'm excited because I like KitKats. One of the flavors that I really like that I reviewed on this channel before was the cereal flavored one. That was really good. I love blueberry muffins. So let's open this up and let's taste this out. I don't know, should I do? I'm gonna open the small one. We'll do the taste test with the small one here. So let me show you what the candy look like here. Okay, now I don't know if it's coming off on camera, but it looks like a light paisley color chocolate to me. I don't know. Let me see. You smell that blueberry. Definitely smell that blueberry. I'm gonna break me off a piece of that KitKat. Alright, so here it is. Alright, normal KitKat, nothing different with the KitKat logo here. Like I said, you smell that, it smells like a blueberry muffin. Inside, It tastes like I just bit into a blueberry covered in chocolate. It's good. I think I might like this better than the cereal one. I say if you love blueberry muffins, this would be your best bet. They did really good with mixing in that blueberry flavor with the chocolate. It tastes like you biting into a blueberry muffin. Only thing is you have a crunch with it, where the blueberry muffin is moist. But I get this a 10 all day. It's good. If you're a returning subscriber and has not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel right now. There's no reason why you keep coming back to these videos and have not yet to subscribe. Now, if you watch this video up to this point and you're new and still haven't subscribed after I asked you in the beginning of the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. Like I said, I only drop a video once a week, which is every Saturday at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. You know? And you get reviews on things that comes out, like KitKat BlueBerry Muffin. I bet you probably didn't know KitKat had a flavor blueberry muffin. But on this channel, you know. Really good. I'm glad I got a small one and a king size one. Well, this has been my review of the KitKat BlueBerry Muffin, limited edition flavor. Picked this up from Walmart. I forget how much I paid for them. Please follow me on my Instagram account, and I will put that down here. Please make sure you like, comment, and share this video with each and every one you know. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you in the next video.